This video will focus on marking and unmarking in QVscribe for Excel. Let's jump right in. There are multiple paths to selecting your requirements for analysis. You may select a single cell on one of the requirements and click on Mark Requirement at the top of the ribbon toolbar. You can also select multiple requirements and select them using the exact same method. Another option is to select the requirements and then right-click on them and select Mark Requirement. And finally, there really is no limit to how many you may select when marking multiple requirements. And once you're finished marking those requirements, they appear on the right-hand side in the QVscribe pane. Unmarking is done the exact same way. So select your single requirement, go to Remove Marks, and remove selected marks. Removing multiple marks is done the exact same way. And you can also remove marks by right-clicking and selecting Remove Selected Marks. You also do have an option to remove all marks within the document. So there's one more way to remove requirements, and that is after analysis. You will notice that an X appears at the end of each requirement in the pane. When you remove a requirement for the first time in analysis, a warning pop-up appears. You can either select it for it to appear every time a requirement is removed or to never prompt again. And as you can see, you can freely remove the requirements from analysis when needed. That concludes marking and unmarking requirements in QVscribe for Excel.